Welcome to the video tutorial on how to install and configure a proxy server on Windows 11. To create a proxy server on a Windows computer, I use Squid. You download the Squid version for Windows and install it like other regular software. First, you stop the Squid service to configure it. You configure the cache so that the proxy caches websites that devices on the network frequently visit. Proxies help reduce internet bandwidth and response time when accessing websites. By default, Squid is installed on partition C of a Windows computer, so you change the path to the folder named cache. Next, open Squid terminal with administrative rights. In the command prompt window, you rebuild the directories using the squid-z command. These are the folders that cache the websites we visit. Once completed, you allow Squid to pass through the Windows firewall. You configure port 3128 to pass through the Windows firewall. If you do not configure a firewall, other devices on your network cannot connect to the proxy server. One more thing you need to set up for the proxy server is to set up a static IP address for your Windows computer. This is the IP address of the Windows 11 computer. It has been assigned statically. After completing the proxy server configuration, you start the Squid service. Now it's time to connect the devices on your network to the proxy server. I use an Android phone connected to the proxy server. You can use other client devices such as desktop computers, laptops, and tablets to connect to the proxy server. When you use a proxy, web pages are cached, which helps reduce internet bandwidth and response time. This helps increase your internet experience. Above are the steps to install and configure a proxy server on a Windows computer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.